Hey, what's up, family? Hope you guys are having a phenomenal start to your day. The market has been tremendous. It has been an awesome day for me, and I hope it's been an awesome day for you also. But before I get started, I want to give you guys a word from one of my all-time favorite books, The Greatest Salesman in the World, Og Medino. It is a top 5 book, highly recommended. I hope you guys look into this book and possibly add it to your library. And so I want to read something from chapter 8. And it says, thus a new and good habit is born from when an act becomes easy through constant repetition. It becomes a pleasure to perform. And if it is a pleasure to perform, it is man's nature to perform it often. When I perform it often, it becomes habit and I become a slave. And since it is a good habit, this is my will. Family, when it comes to investing, when it comes to trading, it's all about habit, right? It's all about habit, learning, studying, and implement what you learn. And the more you implement what you learn, the more the better you're going to get at it. The more wins you're going to rack up, and the more successful ultimately you will be in the long run. All right. So again, man, when it comes to succeeding in this market, it's all about repetition. It's all about knowledge, and it's all about insight. Now, let me take a look at some of my plays that I cashed out on today. And so I had a call option on the SPY, which is the only play I'm playing right now. And I cashed out on this one out of my Robinhood account. Total return $436. Cashed out on that right at the open. That's $436. I had another option in that account, cashed out $366, right? So so we're looking at $436, $366, possibly $800 profit on that. And then I didn't screenshot my TD Ameritrade account, but I do have just the transactions over the past couple of days. And so I put 3,400 in a SPY call option expiring September 16th. I put almost 34, a little bit over 3,400 in there, and I closed that one out today. Profit almost profit about maybe $700. So I closed that out at just under 4,100. I had another option that I think I put $369 in there, close that out at $749. And so family, again, man, we're just racking up the wins. And one of the main reasons why we are racking up the wins is because the technicals, because reading and understanding technicals. Man, when we look at this chart here, we know that the market is trending down, right? It's trending down. It's nothing but bad news in the market, and future bad news will come. So we know that ultimately it's trending down. But when the market is trending down, we all know that this is going to be a roller coaster ride, right? So even though we're trending down, we're going to have highs, we're going to have lows. We're going to have highs, we're going to hit lower lows, right? We're going to have highs, lows, right? Highs, lows. So ultimately, when you take a look at the past week, we've had a huge sell-off, right? We've had a huge sell-off. And then remember, at the bottom of a downtrend, this candle here is golden. And so this is one of my, 3 or 4 favorite candles that I like to take a look at when it comes to trading. So at the bottom of a downtrend, when we have this doji candle here, this could possibly represent a reversal in pattern, right? But what do we need for confirmation? We need the following candle to be trading above or closing above this doji candle. And what do we get? We had confirmation. Now, if you've been following my channel, you would know that, I was a little hesitant because anytime we gap up like this, we may have an occasional pullback. And so I waited to the following day. We had nice bullish candles, another nice bullish candle. So I decided to jump in and ride this wave up, right? And so when we take a look at the hourly candles, man, the hourly candle, when we open up, let me see here, on the 24th, all right? So we actually, we gapped up really nice, really nice. Yep, so this is the open candle. Man, nice gap up. And right then and there, I decided to take my profits, right? Because you can't lose taking a profit. Now, if I would have held on, we went a little higher, So I possibly could have, made probably an extra $300-400 per option. Probably could have made an extra 1,000 in my larger option play with my TD Ameritrade account. But at the end of the day, you can't lose taking wins, right? I won, I take a win. Now what I do, I take my cash, tuck it away, and I live to fight another day. And so what I'll do is I'll just wait for another opportunity in the market where I can make more money, right? And so when it comes to these trends, right, the trend is your friend. And we all understand this black line right here is the 20 SMA. We all know and understand that stock prices, whether it's stock or whether it's crypto, never move too far from this 20 SMA. We always bounce back like a rubber band. And so when we take a look at the chart here, right, we went away from the 20, we bounced back to the 20. We went away from the 20, we bounced back to the 20, right? We went away, bounced back, went away, bounced back, went away, right? We went below, we way down here below the 20 SMA. So that gives us a good indication that eventually we're going to bounce back to that 20 SMA. So you can listen to the news. There's a lot of news out there. Every day is something to scare the masses. Then the next day is something to provide some hope to the masses. But what we do is we pay attention to these technicals, because the technicals will guide us, right? The technicals will guide us. The trend is your friend all the way to the end. And so family, we're sitting on cash right now. Again, man, we have a lot of momentum coming into the stock when you pay attention to the MACD. And so hopefully we may push past that 20, right? So we get to that 20, I may wait and see how the candles are developing, and like one green bar above that 20, I might jump back in because we may go a little higher, right? Again, huge day today, Monday. I anticipate a sell-off. You always got to take profits. Now things may change. We could have a rally, but I'm expecting possibly a red day or two. And then we're going to continue pushing up past that 20. And then what we're going to have, further downward movement, family, further downward movement. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys had some wins this week. Hey, family, I hope you guys enjoyed the information. If you did, man, please like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.